Ready? Whoop. Here we go. Here we go.
Good boy, Wes. Do you like that cereal?
You interrupted my laugh there, Daddy.
Mmm. Wesley. Watch Daddy, see what he does.
Mem, 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 mem.
No. Wesley. You not like banana? We're 2 for O with you, huh? Or O for 2?
It's O for 2.
O for 2. I mean, you'll eat both rice cereal and banana, but you don't seem to really be overly enthusiastic about it. You little stinker. Show us what you can do. You're an expert now. You're an expert jumper. Now you got the hiccups. Let's come around and see you in the mirror. Who's that? Oh, you're facing the wrong way. Hi. Hi, you. Can you see yourself in the mirror? Fun times.
And down. Up. And down. Up. And down. Up. Oh, we're slipping, are we? We're slipping just a little bit. And down. Are you ready? Are you ready? Up. And down. Up. And down. Up. And down. Okay, Butterball, you're getting heavy. Up. And done.
Done.
And done.
Did you like that? Did you? Yeah. That's a fun game. Are you having fun on the floor? You having some free bum time, bud? It's good to be free.
we are. Back to the table for multigrain and fruit cereal.
Not a big reaction, but you definitely want more. Or do you? This is, I'm going to stick my tongue out and taste that. Ah. Big wide mouth. Ah. 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 Got a little something on your lip there, buddy. Hi, messy face. Did you try sweet potato today? Yeah. You didn't like the carrots that we did here, so we had to go out and get you baby food. And you loved it. And no, oh, now you're hitting your camera with your gross spoon. Uh-oh. All right, I'll help you out. Oh, Wes.
You're such a manly and dignified child.
Hey.